So in this video, we're gonna walk through the Linea week 6 quests, and right now you're supposed to get pretty much almost 1000 XP points, and it was fairly easy, and if you had time, this is probably going to be worth it at the end. So right now you're supposed to have the Proof of Humanity campaign completed. So 1 from group A and 2 from group B. So right now, just make sure you guys double check it, and this is really important to understand and to complete. Because what they said on Discord is they are planning to do the Easter surprise, and participants that completed 70% of the basic tasks will be eligible for the additional LXP drop, ranging from 150 to 250 LXP points gamified based on the luck. And for more info, we need to wait till March 31st. And if you go to Linea, go back there, you need to see that these 3 quests are locked right now, so they're gonna be open in a couple of days. And essentially, to complete and benefit from these quests, you'll need to have the Proof of Humanity completed by April 7th. So the registration for the Easter surprise will open on March 31st to April 7th, and Linea Park task will close on the April 4th. So you have a couple days more to complete all of different quests. So right now, without further ado, let's jump into it, and we're gonna click on the first quest. So first of all, click on the begin and skip all of these through. Open the ZA's website, and here you just connect your wallet. So in my case, it will be MetaMask. And then you wanna click on the check-in icon and click on check-in. So click on the confirm. So now we can go back to the quest, click on verify. So that's pretty much it. Click on the skip button, and now we got this completed, 25 LXP points, click continue. And now we got another quest, so click continue, continue again, open macro 3. And here it's really simple, you need to connect and mint this NFT. So connect your wallet, click sign, and then mint now. Then go ahead and connect your transaction, so 30 cents transaction, and then you wanna go back to quest and click verify. Click continue, 25 LXP points for this one as well. And then now we can do another quest, which is the all-in swap. So open it up. And for this one, we're going to get 25 LXP points. You want to go ahead, connect your wallet to the website and mint this pass. So your MetaMask is going to pop up, and now click on confirm. And now you're going to click on the verify. And if you want to do the bonus quest, you can complete at least 1 Linea network transactions doing anything on all-in swap. So we can go ahead to our wallet and we can list something from our inventory. So click on open all-in swap. It's gonna bring you to your portfolio, and we can go ahead and list anything you really want, like for example this cube. So open it up and you can list it at some ridiculous price, like for example 1 Ethereum. So I'm just gonna click on next, and then I'm just gonna say 1. So now you can go back and verify your quest. So click on the verify button. But right now, as you can see, I'm getting the error, so I'm not too sure why it's that. This is the bonus quest, so you can always come back later. Maybe it's gonna take some time to verify it properly. So we're gonna skip this one for now, and we're gonna open up another quest, which is Frog War. So open it up, and you'll need to mint your identity pass. So click continue, open the Frog Wars website, connect your wallet, click on the next button and continue. And then you just want to click on the claim button. So simple as that, click continue and confirm the transaction. So now we're gonna go ahead and click on verify. And for this one, we're going to get 25 LXP points. And now if you want to get additional 15 points, you can go ahead and mint your free warrior. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go click in the play game. So you want to scroll down to the bottom and you want to find the free warrior. So for example, this one. Just click on that, and then your MetaMask is gonna pop up. Just confirm the transaction, and once that's confirmed, you want to go back to the quest and click on verify. So now that's completed, click on the skip button because we don't have to do it. And for this one, we got 40 points. So click continue, open up another one, the Trust Star. So in here, you want to get your media reputation attestation. So essentially, we need to have media score above 20 points. So go back to your reputation and click on verify again. And now that's completed, you can go back to the bonus quest, and you want to get the Dragon Egg NFT. So open it up. So go to the Trust Star website, and then you want to connect your wallet and mint the free NFT. Go back to the quest and click on verify. Now we have this completed. You can skip this one, you can complete another quest, and now we're gonna do the ACG worlds. So in here you'll need to mint your pass. So click on begin, continue, and now you want to connect your wallet to it, connect your MetaMask wallet, and right now click on the mint button. It's very simple, nothing really complicated. Most of these quests you just need to have mint simple NFTs. Some of the previous quests that we did at the beginning, it was a little bit more complicated because you had to do a bunch of different stuff, install different games. I think Linea went into this direction where you have to mint a single NFTs, which is really simple because you interact on the weekly basis. You're also using different contracts, and it's simple. It's not really complicated. So now go ahead and click on verify, keep the another one. And now for this one, we're going to get, I believe, 25 LXP points. So click continue. You can refresh the website so you will see your progress. So for example, right now we can come back to all-in swap and see whether we can complete this again. So try continue and verify the bonus quest, and as you can see now it worked. So it took some time to verify it properly. Now you can go back again, refresh the website, so you're gonna see that we have some of these quests completed. So you can go ahead and select the another quest. So in here, just go again, click continue and open the website. And right now we're gonna connect our wallet and mint the NFT. So scroll down to the bottom and you will see the mint token. So mint your token, and that's pretty much it what you have to do on this website. So once you've done that, you want to go back to Linea and click on verify button. So now the another quest is the Okapi in Linea Park. So go ahead and click on begin, click continue, and we're gonna open up the website. So for this quest, I'm getting some errors, but if you're gonna click on tutorial, it's gonna show you step by step what you need to do. So for now, I'm gonna skip this quest because I'm not able to do that. Another quest you can do is to become the top meme lord. Then here you're gonna be joining the game, and you also need to have some testnet Ethereum on the Sepolia network. So you can request these tokens, and all of these instructions are in this video. So I'm just gonna link it down below so you can do that if you want to get additional 20 points. Another one you can do is this quest. So click on begin, then continue. Now you need to open up the website, and here just simply connect your wallet, and then if you want, you can play with these settings. I'm just gonna keep it as it is and click on generate image, and then you wanna click on mint the NFT and you want to confirm the transaction. So once you've done that, you can go back to Linea and just verify it, and you wanna do another quest. So the next one we will do is the NFT adventure. So go here, click on begin, continue, open the arena. And here you just want to sign in with, you want to create a new account, so provide some random email, username, and once you've done that, you want to click on mint NFT. As you can see, mint is in progress, so probably something's supposed to happen, so your MetaMask is supposed to pop up. I didn't get anything yet, so maybe when you're gonna be watching it, you're gonna get the transaction. So you have another couple of days to complete all of these quests. And when the new quests are going to be live, so I'm going to be covering that in my next upcoming videos. You can see that we have only 3, but based on these 3, you're going to be getting some additional XP points as well. We also have the element. So let me just show you quickly how you can do that. The element market. So in here, if you're going to go to it, you just want to open it up. And in here, you just need to buy any random NFT. So let's say we want to go to these bears, and you can buy any random one. So I'm just going to click on the second one, let's say, and we're going to pay $2 for this one. You can buy it, and later on, if you don't want this anymore, you can just sell it. So I'm just going to buy it for the sake for this quest. And once it's completed, you can go back to layer 3 and click on verify. So for this one, we got 30 LXP points, and you can go back, you can refresh the website, and you'll see that we have pretty much everything completed right now. We are only missing some of these quests that you can do them in the spare time. I didn't complete them because for some reason, some of these quests didn't work for me. Like for example, this one, or I didn't download any random games on my computer because I didn't want to do it. But other than that, you're supposed to get at least 1000 XP points, which is going to be very helpful when it comes to the final airdrop distribution. And if you guys found this video useful, you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.